Today we show you how to make healthy gluten-free falafels made with black beans and sweet potatoes. Let's start by cleaning and cutting the sweet potatoes. Did you know that sweet potatoes are much healthier than regular ones? They have a ton of vitamins and antioxidants, and more fibres. Imagine that just 100 grams give you almost 400% of your vitamin A daily needs. By the way, if you want to be the first to see our new recipe videos, hit the subscribe button below. Most of our recipes are vegan, gluten-free, or made for people on a low-carb diet. We strive to make them all super nutritious, so don't miss out. Alright, now it's time to roast our potatoes. Move them onto a baking tray, season with oil and salt. Give them a good stir and roast them for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Once roasted, mash the potatoes into a creamy paste using a fork or a potato masher. Next, whip out your trusty food processor and dip in the onions, fresh parsley, and black beans. Pulse a few times until you get a chunky dough, but not long enough to get an overly smooth paste. Now, get the bowl with your mashed sweet potatoes and add in the black bean mix and the gluten-free buckwheat flour. Then, add cumin, coriander, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and some salt. Top off with some lemon zest. Now mix everything together. Make sure you are thorough here to get the spices to spread out evenly. We're getting close to the end. Let's proceed by making the falafel balls using our mix and a bit of buckwheat flour. Dust your hands with some flour to keep the dough from sticking to them. Scoop out some mixture and mold it into a ball with your palms. Put the bowl onto a baking tray and flatten it with the tips of your hands for a patty-like shape. Repeat until you have finished all the dough. Bake the falafels for 20 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius or at 430 degrees Fahrenheit. After 10 minutes, take them out of the oven and flip them. Then, place them back in the oven and keep baking. All done! Now, you have lots of wholesome gluten-free falafels. You can eat them on their own, put them in wraps, or make a healthy salad, like we did. Enjoy! there! Thanks for watching this to the end. If you like what you saw, subscribe to our channel and let's cook healthy food together. Thanks, have a great day!